Yes. Ooh, don't mind me in the little view thing. I look a mess. But new car. Fresh off the lot. Don't play with me. Ooh, I look crazy. But it don't matter. I just got my new car. Yeah, and stay tuned because, you know, we got some little add-ons coming. 2022 Honda Accord Sport. Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. It's vaniahdianna. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So today on the agenda, I pretty much have to go get my lashes done, and then I said I'm gonna go to a couple of stores or something. I really need to go get my toes done, but I don't think I'm gonna have enough time because I have a client also today in the afternoon. So I'm gonna see what we're gonna do, but this is the beginning of a vlog, a few days in my life. So yeah, we're about to get into it. I'm about to get ready to go to this lash appointment, so I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. Y'all, my lashes done. They look cute. I'm gonna tag her Instagram. Alright y'all, so my lashes are done. I like them, but I feel like now my eyebrows don't match. Like my eyebrows need done, so I'm gonna have to get my eyebrows done. Probably not today because I got a client soon, but it's 12:30 right now. I don't have a client until 3 o'clock, but I don't like rushing and stuff like that. Like, so I need to be home like 30 minutes to 45 minutes before my client comes. But right now I'm at this energy juice bar place. It's called Energy Life by my house. So we're gonna go in and get me a juice. I have not eaten anything today besides a banana, and I'm about to go home and actually make me some lunch, but I wanted to put something on my stomach while I'm doing that because yeah, I'm hungry. So we're gonna go inside and get a juice. This is my smoothie, y'all. It looks good. I'm about to try it. Take this mask off. This is definitely good. It has strawberries, peaches, and cherries in here. This busting. Yeah, I just got home. I decided that I'm not gonna go to the store today because I really want to be able to look, because I had to shop for my friend. Her baby shower is on Saturday. More than likely I'm gonna take y'all with me. I am. So I had to shop because I have not bought anything, but I don't want to have to rush, and it's about to be 1 o'clock. It's 12:50, so I feel like I might as well just go in the house, make me something to eat, and I could do that tomorrow. Tomorrow is an off day. I don't have no hair to do, so tomorrow we gonna do that. I'm gonna get up and we're gonna go to the store, look for the baby stuff, and then I'm also supposed to be going to Stone Mountain tomorrow. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. I need to go work out today, so after my client we're gonna go to the gym. I hate going to the gym at night. I'd rather go in the morning, but I wanted to sleep in this morning, so that's the consequence of it. But y'all, this smoothie busting, like, it's good. Definitely about to keep me up while I make my lunch. So I'm about to go in the house real quick, make this lunch. I think I'll make some fish in the air fryer and salad on the side. I could make me some asparagus and fish, but I think I'm gonna do this salad. And y'all, I'm so mad. I should have went to Kroger, but I'm not finna. I'm already here. I'm not finna go back. But my favorite dressing, I had bought a new bottle, y'all. They had a sale on them, so that was all sold out. I only got to get one bottle, and the bottle broke when I got home. So now I don't have my favorite good dressing, but it's okay because I'm just gonna use this other one that my mama like. I tried it yesterday, it was good. And then I actually tried to get a different brand, and it was disgusting. It was nasty. All right, y'all, so this is lunch. I got my tilapia with my salad on the side. I got this is spring mix salad with eggs, tomatoes, cheese. I didn't add any cucumbers or anything else because this is all I got, but it's giving. The shadow is in the way, but this is the dressing. Hold on, I'm gonna FaceTime my sister. Hold on, I'm recording the video. And this is the dressing for today. So I'm about to enjoy my meal. I'm gonna check in with y'all later. Alright, y'all, so I have worked out. Well, I took my client, worked out, and now I sound like I just got done working out. Not over my workout, my arms feel like noodles. But anyway, now I'm in Publix, about to pick up a few things. Y'all, this is my favorite bacon from Publix. So if you want to try some good turkey bacon, come get this. Y'all, I think I'm about to try these yogurts. They have a good amount of protein in them and no sugar, so I think I'm gonna try it. This one is strawberry, but I'm gonna get 4 of them because they $4 for $5. So I got strawberry. I'm gonna get 2 strawberries because that's what I'll eat. But I'm gonna get vanilla. I'm gonna get 2 vanilla. So yeah, 2 vanilla and 2 strawberries. And I'm gonna get me some granola to put inside. Then walking down the chip aisle, can't get no chips. Y'all, I love snacks though, so like I really be having to find alternatives. But right now I really just been eating fruit. I've been trying to eat just fruit when I want a snack. And then I was eating pistachios, but I ate all the pistachios I had, and they don't have that brand in here. And I'm not going to Kroger tonight, so I'll have to do that another day, maybe tomorrow, maybe not. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick me up some fruit and we're gonna be done in here. No fruit over here for real. This is all I got. I wanted a good mixed bowl, but they didn't have that, so. And y'all, I actually just seen these on TikTok yesterday, and I'm gonna try it because it's only 10 calories in here and it's supposed to burn body fat, give you energy, and help your metabolism. So I'm gonna try this. I think I'm gonna get the peach mango and a kiwi guava. Alright y'all, so I'm back from the grocery store and I did not update y'all after. I didn't come back and update y'all, but I took my client and I went to the gym. I was in a rush, so I didn't have time to pick up my camera, which is why I just threw on some tights real quick and my shoes, and I left the house. But as y'all can see, I went to the grocery store and I tried to do a little montage thing. I don't know how that came out because I tried to do a little quick 1-2 flicking thingy. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got anyway. So these are some drinks that I'm trying. I seen these on TikTok and they burn body fat. 10 calories, y'all. 10 calories. 10 calories, burns body fat, helps your metabolism, and it gives you energy. So I got the peach mango and I got the kiwi guava. I'm probably gonna try one on camera for y'all tomorrow because I'm not drinking that right now. And then I got me some yogurt. I got a strawberry and a vanilla. Well, I got 2 strawberries and 2 vanillas. And then I got me some more pistachios. Found pistachios. Y'all, why a big bag of pistachios cost $15? Like, it's just nuts. Y'all doing too much. But yeah. And I got my wrap. As soon as I get out the shower, it's wrap. And y'all, this is my favorite turkey bacon. So if you like turkey bacon but you don't like the butterball kind, that's the kind usually everybody get, but I like this kind. I get it from Publix. It's good. It tastes like, I don't know how to describe it. It tastes like, it don't taste like that other turkey bacon. It kind of gives you a more real bacon taste, but it's kind of like a meat, like sandwich meat, but like bacon form, if you get what I'm saying. Then I got me some cantaloupe. I wanted me a good little mixed fruit bowl, but they didn't have any. And then I picked me up some cucumbers for my salad tomorrow. And I also got these. I just been picking up stuff, y'all. Cranberries to go on my salad. And I actually tasted them and they were decent, so yeah. But that's it for my little grocery haul for the night. I'm about to take me a shower and get ready to lay down and watch Jocelyn Cabaret because I did not watch it yesterday. Well, Sunday, not yesterday. But yeah, I'm gonna relax for the rest of the night. So I need to charge my camera too, so I probably won't get back on here again tonight. But why? Like, my hair is actually cute, y'all, but it's not giving this camera right now. I don't know. It might be. I don't know. I'm just looking at myself. But dang, I lost my train of thought. Oh, I'm probably not gonna get back on the camera tonight because I'm finna take a shower, relax, and watch my little TV shows, and then I need to charge this camera. So yeah, but tomorrow should be eventful because we're going to Stone Mountain, and I also need to do some baby shopping. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day and I'm about to make some breakfast. It's 9:31 right now, and yeah, I'm about to start on breakfast, but I wanted to try to make a little mini vlog today, so I'm gonna try to, you know, do that or whatever. Hopefully it come out cute. I'm gonna try to do it anyway because I've been wanting to make them, but have I been making them? No. So I'm doing it today and I'm gonna post it. I have this thing where I be trying to make stuff, not trying to make stuff perfect, but it's just weird. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, a little things make me not want to post something. Like, let me try to think of an example. Like, the last time I was recording, I was gonna post a video anyway, but I was like, no, like, why in 2 scenes of the video the lip gloss just tacky on my lips? Like, that was the last straw of me not posting my other video that I did record. But I was like, let me know in the comments, is that dumb? But little stuff like that will make me not post something, and it's crazy, but it's not at the same time. Like, it's just like, I don't know. It's other reasons to why I won't post up too, but like, that was the reason. Like, am I doing too much, or like, I don't know. Zaria just texted me and asked me if I was ready, but yeah, I'm not ready. I just got done making my breakfast, so I'm about to eat really quick. Y'all, my food looks so good. Let me show y'all. It looks so good, doesn't it? So good. I probably won't even eat all this, but you know, I had to make it cute. Hey y'all, we made it to Stone Mountain. Say hey, Zaria.
Hey y'all.
We finna get ready to walk this mountain. Zaria ain't eat nothing for breakfast, so we gonna see.
What is long ticket?
Y'all, we not even halfway through. Look at this girl.
Oh my god, look how far we gotta go.
So, like, we taking a little break for Zaria.
Oh my god, look.
I told you, that's why I told you, look at, we're not even halfway up there. Look how far we got left. It don't look that far on the camera, but like the mountain is like all the way up there. I was recording.
Ain't nobody else.
You just stop. We is walking back down. She's about we riding the train back down.
We're gonna ride that train.
We almost there, y'all. Y'all, Zaria back at it again, taking a break. I made it to the top. I'm waiting on Zaria. I'm guessing she took a long break. She should be coming up. Sure was. I was like, where's Zaria at? She should be right behind me. Y'all, we just sitting here chilling, enjoying the sun and the mountains. I think we're gonna go to Play-Dohs after this, or somewhere with some like fruit or something. But it looks so beautiful. You can see the city. I'm trying to zoom in so y'all can see. Right here. Yeah, we decided we're not gonna walk back down. Zaria don't want to walk that back down, so we're gonna ride the, I don't know what it's called. It's called a sky ride, I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna ride that down.
All right, guys, we're about to leave the station here in about 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're going to start off slow. Once we get above this tower, we'll do a slight tilt forward and pick up speed. After that, it'll just be smooth sailing. No? Skydive?
I'm scared. I'm not gonna look that way.
Stop the swing.
Why do we ride this? I'm scared. I'm scared, Zaria. We made it to Play Above, y'all. Why did it just get dark?
Like, she actually has like feeling like it's
Okay, y'all, we made it to Play Above. I got a sabo with blueberries, strawberries, and mangoes. And Zaria got one too. I got strawberries, mangoes, and pineapples. That was too good. Let's get the bill. I told mine up. Alright, y'all, so we had to come and go shopping for my friend's baby shower. So right now we're at Ross and we're gonna go to that Target and we're gonna see what we can find. Hopefully I can find some stuff because I'm really last minute. The baby shower is in 2 days on Saturday. So yeah. Y'all, they did not have nothing in Ross. Disappointed. But we in Target and I'm looking at these cameras. I might just get a camera for the baby, her and the baby. We gotta figure out which one. This would be a good gift. Y'all, I am at another Target location because the Target y'all see me at the first time, they didn't have the camera that I wanted in stock. So now I'm at the Target by my house, but I'm just picking up a few things. I wanted to try these protein things in my coffee, so I'm getting that. And I don't know what else. I think I wanted to look at the fragrances they got. I actually bought one and it smells good, but I want to try another one. Dang, y'all, they don't have no more. They're all gone. That's crazy. They're all gone. But the one I got, if y'all want to try it, is this one. Focus. It's called Wood. I don't know how to pronounce the last word. Just look for Wood and you'll know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm sad because I wanted to get some. Is this? Oh, this is samples, but so yeah, maybe next time. But I checked online and they said that they had the camera here, so that's what I'm about to go find. And I'm gonna get out of here because I'm gonna go look at one more spot, but I'm gonna get out of here because I'll be picking up stuff for no reason and I'm not trying to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna vlog. Hey y'all, so we just made it to Crew. We came so we could support our friend
Lauren Hendricks.
Say hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
This is Lily and Zaria.
Hi.
Don't be trying to act sweet.
Hi.
Something different. You must be made for me. Patience
y'all, so that pedicure was, yeah, that was nice. It felt so good. It was so relaxing. I'm definitely going back there. That was my first time going to that nail salon. So yeah, they got my business because it was 10 out of 10. Very much 10 out of 10. The lady did burn me with the hot stones, but other than that, it was okay. She was nice and everything though. It was top tier. So if you need a Fayetteville area, make sure you check out what is it, Vibe Nail Bar. Yeah, that was it. Okay, so now I'm at Panera Bread, y'all. I decided I was gonna go to Panera Bread and try to edit some footage, edit this video and try to work on another one, but I don't have a computer charger. I literally I was in this position when I was trying to post my I can't even talk. When I was trying to post my first video, bought a new charger. Now a piece to my charger is missing, and I'm just over it. At this point, I'm over it. But so I'm trying to use my friends' chargers, but they out and about and stuff, so they not home. And I really wanted to do this while it's not dark. Like I want to sit outside, you know, a little vibe and get some work done, but I don't know. Hopefully something works out and I'm able to do it, but I'm trying to see, so we'll see. But it's 5 o'clock right now. Y'all know it get dark early, so I don't know what's gonna happen. But if it does, maybe I'll just go inside. I don't know, I might go inside a Starbucks or something, or I might still go to Panera Bread. I don't know, but I need to eat something because I haven't had anything but fruit. So yeah, but I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I figure out what's going on. Y'all end up getting a Caesar salad and a chicken avocado melt, and it looks so good. Yeah, I'm ready to try that. Y'all, it feels good outside. It's a vibe out here. My food looks good. Let me make it. I might have to start coming to Panera Bread a little more often. It's giving what it's supposed to give.
And I feel fine anytime she's around me now. She's around me now all the time.
Okay, I'm trying to make another TikTok today, so we're gonna see how that one comes out. It's my first meal of the day. I hope I don't get copyrighted for this music, but I'm ready to eat. This is my first meal of the day, and it's 6:11. So yeah, get on the bus. Look at that. A little mukbang moment. Scared to order this, but it's good. Now I'm gonna try my salad. It's just a Caesar salad, but it looked good too. This was such a good day, y'all. Like, it got me a nice pedicure. The food and the vibe out here is great. I'm happy and satisfied with my Friday.
Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Down Julio make me fulfill. And I might hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Listen that da-da-da. Listen that ah. All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit. You a damn drug, toxic.
up here. It's you. You know what I'm saying? That's it. It's not Atlanta.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. They cheating. Aaliyah ain't.
Get right, look.
You know.
Yeah, Liam.
Dang.
Look at Mike.
The winner.
Love titties, man. I told y'all this here on the job. I love them titties, man.
That's for me, Diana.
But look, they did what the fuck going on. Subscribe to the shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe, post it, follow, all that shit, nigga. Repost that shit, tell your mama, sister about that shit, and tell her daddy, and then tag the page, nigga.